Hi, Jonathan. Today we're going to work on your IEP goals. So today is Friday, September 4th, 2020. So let's get started. So we're going to do goal number 3, which is you're going to be able to determine what objects are long and which one's short. Just like you did last week, let me show you the first page. Here it is. So the first one is done for you as an example. You have a tree here and one here. They look the same style, but one is longer than the other, and you can tell right away. You can tell right here the space. So what you're gonna do is under the short one, you're gonna write short, and under the long one, you write long. So now you do it yourself. Let's do the flagpole, the ladder, the tower, the cabinets. Keep going until you're done. Once you're finished, you send it to me and I'll upload it for you. Now let's go to goal number 4. So here what you're gonna do is you're gonna add. I'm gonna show you some pictures and we're gonna see how many they are all together. So let's start with the first worksheet. So here's number 1 and I'm gonna help you. So here's one pig, so you can put 1 up here. And in this side you have 2, so you put the number 2 up here. Now you want to know how many you have together. So you have 1 plus 2. So you count them. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 total. So you write 3 right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the rest of the problems are your own. And you have another worksheet. It's the same thing. You're going to count, put the number on top, and then you're going to count all together and write the answer. So once you're finished, send it to me and I'll upload it for you. Thank you.